Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing 3 Hot Wheels today. First we got the McLaren Speedtail in orange. I also got one up there too. And also I got the Subaru too. Oh, and it's falling. Well yeah, here is the McLaren Speedtail. And I got another one. It's a McLaren Speedtail in gray. Very nice. And I got a 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STi-Version. This car is pretty cool, you know? Look at it. Yeah. Let's open the first one. So I'm going to open this one first. Because I don't know. I just want to open this one first. Whoop. Oh, come on. There we go. But yeah, here it is. So let's get my locator. Ooh. So yeah, here is a Subaru 1999 Subaru Impreza. It's in black. It's also got a red logo here. It's got the red logo. And this car is pretty cool with the sparkly kind of black, the golden rims, and looks pretty cool, you know? Ah. And this is also from the J Imposter. Imposters. Oh no, Among Us. But this car is pretty cool, you know, not too bad. But yeah, honestly, I like this car. So let's go to the next car. Oh, there we go. Ooh, I just want to look at this car for a sec. But yeah. Hold up. Ooh, okay, let's put it right here. Let's leave it down here. Next, we're going to open this one. The orange Speedtail. I'm excited for this. Boom. Oh my god, it's my first Speedtail in my collection. Oh, yo. Here. Oh my god. Sheesh. Oh my god, here is the orange McLaren Speedtail. This car looks amazing. It's got like, look at the rims here. See, it's like this one is different. This one's different too. And the car is extremely beautiful. It's got the nice kind of sparkly orange, and it looks super cool. But yeah, this is complete. This is nice. But I love it. 10 out of 10. Let's do it. Ooh, woo. But yeah, get the Speedtail. Next one. Let's see. Man, I hope I find more of these. Like, man. Shoot. Wow. Here it is. The second Speedtail. But yeah, this is the gray Speedtail. It's amazing. I love it. As soon as I saw it in the store, I was just like freaked out. Oh, and also this car's got little scratches on the windshield a little bit, but it's okay. It's got a nice kind of pearly gray. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I love it. It's even got the tiny McLaren logo. Oh, that's cute. But yeah, guys, this car is amazing. I love it. Even goes over these two. Yeah. But yeah, guys, this will be the end of the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. But yeah, and also I visited Zamir Gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Make sure to like and subscribe to that channel. And also, guys, do you remember Shin Godzilla, right? He's back. He's back, buddy. He's back. Because, you know, Shin Godzilla had a little problem. You know, he had to have some maintenance. But yeah, he's finally back. Good to have him back. But guys, he is a pretty good one. He's back, you know. But yeah, let's just go on. Boom, boom. Let's do this. Oh no, he's falling. And also, I might make a video of my Hot Wheels collection. So yeah, me.